Hi, this is Chris. I will show you our snap hooks this time. This type snap hooks is simple and effective, made using top quality stainless steel, one of the most cost-effective and strongest types of metal on the market. Its stainless nature also means that it has a good level of resistance to rust and corrosion, thus allowing snap hooks to be utilized in many types of environments for a variety of applications. They are great for using both indoors and outdoors, such as the construction and leisure industries and other commercial work. Sailing and many other sports, they are perfect for use with fiber ropes as well. As well as the standard carabiner hooks, yes, this is the hooks with eyelet, and you can also get locking ones which are extremely similar but have an additional part for protecting the gate. With this screw nut tightened, the carabiner will not open accidentally. It's very nice. Okay, check out our range of snap hooks and other fittings here. Please feel free to contact us should you have any questions. We are always pleased to serve you at any time. Thank you.